This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Janet Madrano. Discover your dream rental in this stunning lagoon community. This newly built home features an open floor plan that seamlessly blends modern living with comfort. Property is equipped with endless smart home integration, thermostat, garage, alarm, lighting and so much more options. The upgraded kitchen is a chef's delight, equipped with high-end appliances and stylish finishes. The oversized granite top island is perfect for entertaining family and friends. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with gated community entrance, a fully gated backyard, providing a private oasis for outdoor relaxation and no back neighbors. All bedrooms are well-sized with ample spacing. Your rent includes convenient amenities such as lagoon access, high-speed internet, cable and wired exterior camera system, 4 cameras, for added security. Additionally, the full water filtration system with osmosis ensures you have clean, pure water at your fingertips. With reclaimed water for the lawn, you can maintain a lush, green space while being eco-friendly. Be the first tenant in this newly built home to live in this immaculate property tailored to meet all your needs. Rental application fee is $75 each applicant. HOA application fee is $50. Must apply with HOA within 7 days of being approved by the landlord. Security deposit due 24 hours after landlord approval. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below.